Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. Today I'm going to be telling you all about the package I received today from SpellQueen. Package was ordered on the 2nd of December and arrived today, which I'm okay with given the current situation. That's fine. The only thing I did find is that I was unable to track it at all. The tracking number they gave me didn't work. But that's fine. It's here. So let's find out what they sent me. So the two kits that I'd ordered both came with really nice toolkits. So inside the toolkit, both come with a big boat. You also get the standard drill pen. It's a, don't know if you can see, it's a sparkly one with a pink squishy. It's got a 4-placer on the end. Little bonus extra 12 little compartment storage tray. Really nice little caddy of wax, which has inside 4 of the rounds of the nice red wax we all like using, so that can go back in there. And then the SpellQueen branded pink tweezers, which are incredibly sharp. I would say sharper than Diamond Hour Club. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but if you're looking for sharp tweezers, these definitely fit the bill. The other thing is a fancy drill pen, single placer with lid. This was a free gift. You got one with each canvas as a free gift, and you could choose which one you wanted. So I opted for this one. And with the second kit, which has all the same stuff inside, I went with the mermaid. Again, single placer. Okay, so I've put the kits to the side, and the tool kits to the side, and now let's look at the canvases. They both came in these fabulous, can't even get them in, SpellQueen branded canvas totes, mini totes, unique art that sparkles. So up inside you've got your canvas. Can I get that to fit in? Just about. And your drills. Now, the drills, I was so pleased about this, all individually bagged. So if you don't want to kit up into storage containers, you don't have to. The canvas itself, it's got 30 colours. No 310. And no white, so it's going to be a real nice change to work on. He's got a legend on both sides. It's a poured a poured glue canvas with a very sticky drill build. Let's just see if I can bring it up so you can have a look at her face and see what that's like. So that is a mixture of alphanumeric and symbols, but there's nothing there that really is going to give me cause for concern. I think it's really clear. And they've got light printing on the darker background, dark printing on lighter background. Yeah, they're using a capital B, but they're not using an 8. Yeah, I can't see anything really that's going to cause a huge problem. And the size is listed as being a 30 by 40 centimetre, and in fact that is that's true to size. That is the drill field, is 30 by 40. So that's really nice to see. This one was £26.69. And quality of the canvas as well. Fluff. The quality of the canvas is really lovely. It's got sort of a velvety back to it, and then this nice scalloped edge, which you can see has also got all of their details on. So you can see there. They've also got the satisfaction guarantee and the RDAM insurance. If anything should happen, they will replace your drills. Let's have a little look at these. Okay, they're all individually bagged. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'll just pick a couple. So there's a dark one. That looks to be really good. I can't see any trash. Everything looks nice and square. Let's just have another blue. Yeah, those look lovely. I know some people worry about the dimple in the back, but I've never found that to be a problem. Interestingly, the canvas specifically states that these are acrylic diamonds, so if that's important to you or not, then it's something to think about, that this company specifically says they are acrylic diamonds as opposed to resin. Okay, again on a light colour. I can't see any problem at all, everything's lovely and sparkly. The bags themselves have the colour number but not the DMC on them, but the DMC is on the canvas. So those to one side, and we'll look at the second one. Okay, so this one, something a bit different. This one's only got 17 colours. Again, came in a nice bag. There's all the drills again, all bagged up. There's a lot of 3865. That's going to be all of your background. That's going to be all of this. This is where I wish that this was a partial. But hey, let's give it a go. So have a look at the quality of the drill field again. Oh, my camera, there we go, get you in focus. Yeah, obviously the colours for this one are a little more muted, but still I think reads absolutely fine. We've got an X and a K, but the K is in white, X is in black, shouldn't cause a problem. I think that's going to turn out really nicely. Again, size wise it's listed as a 30 by 30 and it is a 30 by 30 drill area. Just look at these white drills because we've got so many of them. Yeah, I can't see any problems in there. And certainly there's plenty of them. There isn't an inventory here, so until I've worked the canvas I'm not going to know if the if there's enough drills, if I'm going to need to ask for replacements, but it does say that they guarantee that, you know, they'll replace anything that needs replacing, so that shouldn't be a problem. So this one was this was 1933, so but they were doing buy one get one 50% off and free shipping, so both canvases together came to 32.36 UK pounds, and with, I think with the quality of the canvas, which, you know, it's up there, it's some of the best quality canvases that I've seen. Nice square drills, individual baggies. Lovely toolkit. I mean, if we can just go back to that toolkit again. You know, 3 pens aside, which, you know, is a lovely addition. Just the large boat, wax caddy, 4-placer and tweezers. I'd be happy with that without the addition of the little storage container and the other bits and bobs that came with. So I think I'm really happy with that, and I would definitely give, you know, once I've worked up a canvas, and we'll see how it goes, and I will do a little follow-up and let you know when I de-kit. But yeah, certainly looks very promising. I'd be interested to know if anybody else has bought kits from them. Do let me know, leave a comment, or check me out on the socials. You can find me at The Crafty Witch UK on Instagram, Facebook, message me here, and yeah, feel free to leave a like if you want me to do more unboxing videos, or subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.